So I shall return guys with my friend on my fish. Sold out lahat guys. Pinili guys. Kaya 12:30 oh. Dito naman tayo oh. Diyan ako mama guys. Ayan bumili guys oh. Ang bumili guys, katang hiti na lang guys. Dalawa guys oh. Hindi natin mawala. Yung rat and rail nyo din. Pag break time nyo, hagis kayong dalawa. Kaping kagat guys, kasi lang. Well, in the afternoon guys, very hot. Still catching guys. Kaya pwede ka din magpainit din. Ano? Nakatapon agad tayo guys oh. Ilang tayo guys. Baanak yata na nakalaban natin guys oh. Yun oh, lakas dito guys. Ayun, grabe. Palaban yata tayo dito. Kumagat guys eh. Come on. Kamalit. Saan na ba yun? May iing sumusunod guys. Umalit nga guys. Uy. Malit nga guys. Palaban tayo ng gusto nito guys. Pag malit kasi guys. Yun. May ano pa. Ayan guys oh. Bigla na guys. Yan. Ganun ang technique din guys. Kasi malaking malit guys oh. Yan. Alright, continue natin guys. Sa auto rin nato doble guys. Gusto sa sana sumama guys. Kaso dito na ako guys. Putin na natin guys ang first cast natin maputi guys oh. Makuha natin to. Ayun, laki guys. Not bad yan guys. Pag ganyan kalalaki ayan guys oh. Itong first nating catch na maputi guys. Kasi nakahuli tayo ng oh. Kaya darling Mr. B, good morning. And Mami Linda, thank you for your advice sa rice mo. Kaya gayaan ko yan. Morning Mar. Alright, continue na tayo guys. At least naka-first catch na tayo. Ang tubig not moving guys. Alright, gusto ko lang. Guys tayuan talaga guys. Kasi pag di mo tayuan, yun laki naman to guys. Ayun lang guys oh. Mama. Come mama, papa mama. Come mama. Wow, no mama. Come here mama. Come to papa mama. Ayan. This is guys. Si Mama loves Papa guys. See? Oh, kauli na natin guys. Continuous natin lang guys. Mama, I love you. Right, Mr. B? I tell you guys. Sit down yung bucket guys. Ang slow to catching si Mama guys. Ayan guys oh. Even the water is slow moving. See? Slow also to take the Mama. See guys oh. Ayan oh. Ganun lang guys oh. Ganun lang kabilis guys. See, tinan nyo naman guys oh. 3 number 3 lang guys. I thought number 4 lang guys. Continuous natin guys. Tayo guys. Yung giso ah. Saan yun? Yung giso. Lakas guys. Strong. Kaya dandaan lang guys pag ganitong sitwasyon. Saan yun? Yung giso. Yan lang guys. Oh, yan na. Tiyaga lang talaga guys. You know. Oh. Tingnan yung mga bagong huli talaga guys. Oh. Ayan oh. Humihinga pa yan. Oh. Last to pa. Continuous. Wow. Diyan din guys na tahimik lang pala guys. Yung pala tumitira na guys. Yun oh, kagaya nito guys oh. I don't feel but I throw my bread. I feel already guys. Ayan guys. Uy. Come on Mama. Huwag masayang guys. It's very greasy si Mama guys. That's why you play that. Yeah, that. Oop. Very greasy Mama guys. That's why you play. There, making tired. There, see? With the big size, you can make it tired guys. Okay. Yes, oh. Big size guys, see? How many inside? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. 5 already guys. Continuous natin ha. Ayan o, bigit to my cellphone o. See that? Busy ako guys sa ii guys. Kaso lang yung natin yung malaking maputi. Si Mama guys, naputulan tayo guys. Pero pinagpalitan naman tayo guys o. Ayan o. Pinagpalit sa naputol guys. Ayan na yan guys ang huli natin. Yung ii guys o. Yung istorbo eh. Ayan o. Kaya I already cut another one, but it changes because the AA is storbing to me guys. See that the AA? Enjoy lang guys. Sige lang. Losing tayo guys ng top 3 pieces guys, but I see, oh yeah, I see another one guys. Yan o. This okay lang. I'm losing the 3 pieces. This is my spot. It's okay guys. At least continuous mo ng huli natin ngayon. Ilang. Sige lang guys. Continuous tayo natin guys. Diba? Nothing sun ngayon. Sama I wish I take it this one. Right now, Mama. You know. This is mine. Ayan guys, uli natin guys oh. But the sun is coming. Kaya yun, no? Guys ko lang. So, ito na sa malapit na guys. Kumakagat na yung maputi guys, oh. That, oh. Ayun, no, guys, oh. Yeah. Ano sa'yo? Yan. Okay. Continuous natin guys. Kasi pa alas 10 na. Guys, oh. Lang. Ano yun? Ito guys, oh. Yun. Nak big size already guys. Ayan guys, oh. Tamad na ako guys magtayo guys. continuous lang tayo kasi see, only 2 tourists in this place today guys. Grabe, saipan niya, shut out talaga guys. Yan niya guys, I don't know, I catching already guys. See, I catching already guys, but I ignoring this one. Come ma. Next time papa, don't ignoring your catching, because continuous catching guys. Oh, yung partner ko kapon guys, oh, wala na si Pap, umalis na naman. Balik tayo guys, ayan lang guys. Oh, test natin. I thought I'm not taking guys. Oh, relax mama guys. Oh, malaki naman guys. Oh, yes sir. Sit down ka lang sa bucket mo guys, oh. And then continuous catching. Enjoy lang Papa Jerry. May mga fisherman din doon sa dulo. Yes, may left side, may right side. Nobody like you Papa Jerry, Papa Latong. Enjoy lang guys. Enjoy lang MSB. Kahit agoy-agoy yung biwang, okay lang. Enjoy lang. Alright, let's go. Oh, shout out sa lahat yan. Tol guys, papakol guys. Sorry guys ha. Si mama naman guys. Oh. But only this sizes guys. So okay, not bad already guys. Ayun oh. Kultisan natin guys. Kasi 10-20 na. Ah, Jesus guys. Only the side oh. Ha, but I already 11 guys. 10 minutes more and then time to go home. Right? At least mayroon tayo guys. Oh. Siguro lang. Guys, this is it again. Monday, Tuesday. But 5 times I'm losing the big good size guys. Ay, Jesus Christ, I always losing that one. By the way, this is my EE guys. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 13. Yung maputi naman natin guys, ito naman maputi natin. At least still continuous catching guys. Kaya shout out everybody guys. Omar OST with Mr. B and Golden Grain Fishing guys, and Geo Habitats. I don't see si Lucano handle guys. He's still fishing guys. Si Cebuano John in the Las Vegas guys is Tom Allegri in Sacramento, California. And Mr. B and Mami Linda and Anit Tomboy. Alright guys. And Daddy Anler. Hindi ko na nakita nagpipising si Daddy Anler din. Discuss ko lang. I love you guys. I love you mama in the beach side. And I love you mama in the land. And God bless you all. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. That's my important. Even you don't subscribe, but if you like my video guys. That's it. I'm very happy already. God bless guys. See you soon tomorrow again guys. Yesterday I saw a lot and today still catching guys. See what's cool.